Are you hauling buckets or building a pipeline? Hey, welcome back. Jeff Heggie, Daily Success Strategies. Thanks for being with me today. Are you hauling buckets or building a pipeline? It's a great question if you understand where I'm coming from. So let me tell you a story. There's a woman who hauled buckets of water every single day. She did this for a living. She hauled buckets of water from the well all the way down this long trail to the village where people would buy the buckets of water from her. If she ever needed more money, she'd just haul more buckets of water. But over the years, she became exhausted. And one day she thought, what if in my spare time, I started to build a pipeline so that one day I wouldn't have to haul the buckets anymore. So she started to do that. And then she had that pipeline built. And when she finally turned on that spigot and the water started to flow, it changed her life forever because it gave her options. It gave her freedom because she no longer had to haul the buckets every single day. And so I want to take that story and ask you the same thing. Are you hauling buckets? Are you tied to your job? Are you tied to your trading time for money? Or have you started to build a pipeline that is eventually going to give you the freedom that gives you time freedom, financial freedom, and whatever you really want that to produce for you? I got thinking of this weekend. An entrepreneur that I've been working with has been building a pipeline for herself. And this weekend she had an event that I went and attended, and one of my other team members flew in from Utah so that he could attend as well. And she was really nervous about what she had done. Was she ready for this event? And it turned out amazing. She did an incredible job. It was awesome. And as I was sitting there watching her as she did this, I got thinking about this story because she's been building this pipeline, and this weekend she turned on the spigot and things started to flow, and it started to create the outcomes that she's been working so hard to create. What are you doing right now? I've talked about this in other episodes about Brian Carruthers saying everyone should be an entrepreneur. Everyone should have their side hustle that is creating that residual income, that is creating that pipeline, so they're not going to be trading time for money the rest of their lives. So what are you doing right now to start building your pipeline? I've got a mentor that has created a really cool ebook that talks about some of the things that you need to do to start building this pipeline. And along with it, she does a webinar that kind of gives you some ideas of how you can do that. So if you want to get that for free, if you want to read through that ebook and get access to that webinar, just go to jeffhaggie.com/3. It's the number 3 because her ebook is the 3 keys to freedom. And so go to jeffhaggie.com/3 and you'll be able to get a copy of that ebook, and there'll be an email that gives you access to her webinar where you can watch more about that. But whatever you're doing, start thinking about that. How can you start building your pipeline so that you can one day have that financial and time freedom that you so desire?
Hey, dreamers and doers, if you're ready to take control of your financial and time freedom, stop waiting and start building a business that fits your dream life. Work directly with me, my team, and my mentors who have done it all. Go to jeffhaggie.com/cheat codes right now and apply to unlock your success.
How would you like the strategies that elite athletes follow to perform at their highest level? Hi, my name is Jeff Heggie, and along with Tammy Matheny, we help athletes just like you to develop the confidence and mindset that'll let you reach your full potential. Your dedication to the physical aspect of your sport is obviously important, but the mental side, it's just as important. Mental skills are often the differentiating factor between good and great athletes. I've seen it hundreds of times. 2 talented athletes, but one has much more success than the other because of their mental strength. The mental game can separate you from the competition. If you want to take your game to the next level, this is exactly what you're looking for. I want to give you the mental strength success secrets for free. This will include the self-talk resources that you can implement today to overcome your negative self-talk, the walk confidence resources, the pre-game visualization scripts, the preparation checklist, because confidence is being prepared, plus the 7 levels deep exercise that'll help you discover your true why. You can get all of this for free, plus a 14-day free trial of the Confident Athlete program. The Confident Athlete program will help you to build your confidence and teach you how to get it back if it's ever low, develop a powerful mindset, and develop your own personal success habits and implement them into your life. Understand the strength of your subconscious and the power of visualization, and gain the resources and tools that you can implement today that'll immediately give you confidence. And of course, there's much more. This is all free and there's no commitment. All you have to do is say, yes, I want to try it out. Come and try the Confident Athlete program for 14 days for free and get the mental strength success secrets and start implementing them today. Go to confidentathleteprogram.com.